In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort liked songs on Spotify. If your liked songs have turned into a long scroll of tracks, sorting them is the quickest way to bring order and find exactly what you want to play next. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in just a minute. First, open Spotify and head to your library. Inside your library, select Liked Songs. This is the dedicated collection where every track you've tapped the heart on lives. Once you're in, you'll see your list of songs front and center. Now, look just above the list of tracks. You're checking for a small drop-down menu or for column headers across the top, such as title, artist, album, or date added. Depending on your view, you might see a subtle arrow next to one of these labels. This arrow indicates the current sorting order. If you see a drop-down, it will typically say something like Sort By, followed by the current selection. To organize your library, click one of those labels or the drop-down to choose a category. Title will arrange songs alphabetically, which is great if you remember the name of a track but can't spot it right away. Artist groups your songs by who performs them, perfect for mood sessions focused on a single band or singer. Album lines up tracks by the record they came from, ideal if you want to play through a specific release. And Date Added orders your songs based on when you liked them, which is handy when you want to revisit your freshest finds or take a trip back to your earliest favorites. After you select a category, you can fine-tune the order by clicking the same label again. Clicking a second time usually flips the direction. For example, title will switch between A to Z and Z to A. With Date Added, you can toggle between your newest likes at the top and your oldest at the top. Watch the arrow change direction as a quick visual cue for ascending or descending order. That's all there is to it. Open Liked Songs, find the sorting controls above your tracks, choose the category that fits what you need, and click again to reverse the order if it helps. Sorting doesn't change which songs you've liked or remove anything. It simply changes how the list is displayed so you can navigate faster. Try a few different categories and directions to see what feels most natural for the way you listen. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to reshuffle your view in seconds and keep your music sessions flowing.